So here I am making my own tomato sauce by adding cherry tomatoes and tomato paste. Then I also added spinach to increase the fiber and the sodium levels of the tomato paste. It's only 35 mgs.
Okay, so over here, this is the original recipe of the lasagna. I just bought a store-bought tomato sauce, and this is a 75% lean beef. And this one over here, I modified it to 90% lean beef, and then I also added whole wheat pasta and some spinach to increase the fiber.
It's good. They're both good.
Do you see a difference in them?
I personally can't, just because I don't really have the best taste buds or finish rate. However, I'm very wrong.
Take one more bite.
This one's more oily.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's oily or
You just feel it.
maybe the sauce, more like more liquid.
Okay. Are those your final comments?
Yeah. Let's say this one. Maybe I can taste the sauce more. Like the tomato sauce, maybe.
So, this is the original recipe. This is the modified one. You say that this one's a little bit oily because it has more fat. So the original sauce does have a lot more oil in it, a lot more fat. So that's why you probably feel that this one's a little bit more greasy. And this is the homemade sauce, so that one won't feel as greasier. Okay, and that concludes this video. Bon appetit. It's also very interesting to note that this one, which is the original recipe, is a lot more oily than the modified one, because I made the sauce from scratch. The one from the store does contain more fat, so that's